In this video, we will explore the basics of the programming process and how to program. It may seem counterintuitive, but the first few steps of writing code have nothing to do with a computer. They are done using a pen and paper. The first step is to understand the problem you are trying to solve thoroughly and clearly define in simple terms what the program is to do. The second step is to visualize how would your program in its most bare-bone form would run on your computer. Next, use a design tool to create a model of the program that clearly describes how the program will flow. Go over that model and make sure that it's free of logical errors. That is, it will work and give correct results if you plug in some inputs. Now that you have your program designed, here comes the fun part. You can now start writing the code on your computer. After choosing the programming language, start typing and compiling your code. No matter how experienced you are, you will most likely make mistakes as you type your code. These mistakes will result in compile time errors. Compile time errors are errors resulting from violating the rules of the syntax of the programming language. As you code, your Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, will highlight these errors and help you fix them. Keep coding and fixing your code until you complete the implementation of your program. Once you have a program that compiles with no compile time errors, it's time to take your code for a test drive. Run the program and input data to test it. As you test your code, fix any errors that appear while running the code. These errors are referred to as runtime errors, and they will break your program and cause it to stop. Keep fixing runtime errors and check for new compile time errors that may appear as you add more code lines to fix the runtime errors. We are almost there. Now is the time to load test your code by validating the results of your program. In this phase, you want to try to find cases under which your code may fail to work correctly and will give wrong results. These errors will be due to some logical errors that you may have overlooked while designing your code. The programming process is all about developing an error-free code to solve a problem.